We got brisket and jalapeno poppers today. Actually, I say poppers. It's more like a Texas Twinkie. I got the big jalapenos, and we're gonna go ahead and stuff those with breakfast sausage, cream cheese, wrap them with a couple of slices of bacon each, and slather them with a little sauce while they cook. Should be great. I also want to tell you that I got a brisket, and I want to say that it's just a basic select brisket. So I want to see just how tender I can make this thing. I'm going to do a really long hold on it. Try to hold it around 150 for as long as I can, see what happens. But before I do that, I think I'm going to separate the point and the flat and test out both. Go with a shorter hold on the point, because honestly, points don't need much. I want to do a really long hold on the flat and see what happens. All right, so I got the Twinkies on, the brisket on. It is 10 a.m. So probably around 7 p.m. tonight, the brisket will be done. Twinkies will be done in an hour or two. But yeah, everything's ready to rock. Running at 275 with oak lump and a little bit of apple and mesquite chunks. Boy, the peppers are looking really good. I just brushed them down with some barbecue sauce. I really like a thin sauce. That's why I like Terry Black's original sauce. It's not too gooey. It's pretty thin. It's hard to get too much on, which I think is ideal for this. I just kind of spooned it on and let it run off, and it's set up pretty thin. Those peppers were looking really good though. About another 30 minutes and I'm going to get those off just long enough for that sauce to kind of tack up and just finish it up. So be done in a minute. Man, them Twinkies are really good. You guys need to give that a shot. Let's keep on with the brisket. All right, stalled out about 165, got it wrapped up, and just put it back on. So now the pit's trying to climb back up to temp, and maybe 3-4 hours, maybe 5, it'll be done. I don't know. Don't really care. You're gonna start the rest at that point and see what happens. All right, so the brisket was really, really good, man. Had great flavor to it. Wasn't real happy with the bark, and I'm pretty sure I know what happened. When I wrapped it, sometimes I wrap, sometimes I don't. Usually do, but I was out of ACV and Worcestershire. I usually spray the paper down with that. So what I did instead was I used oil. Well, that oil trapped in all of the moisture, which was good. I didn't lose a lot to that, but it also steamed the brisket the entire time, and the bark got really soft. Tasted great, but the bark got soft. So I wasn't a huge fan of that. Outside of that, it was a really good cook and a good result. It just didn't have the prettiest presentation on the bark. So I won't be doing that anymore. I'm gonna make sure that I have ACV and Worcestershire. I had enough to spray the brisket as it was cooking, but when it was time to wrap, I was out. So, I mean, even if that happens to me next time, I'll use water or barbecue sauce or something. I won't be using oil again. So, anyhow, it was pretty good though. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the cook and maybe learned something. Like and subscribe down below, and we'll catch you next time.